Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Just wanted to discuss what I'm seeing in many charts, especially when you take a look at monthly charts. Take a look at this example, TXT, and here we can see that it is down about 1% for the week. Doesn't seem like a big deal until you start considering the monthly chart. Let's go to the long-term monthly chart, all data going back to 1990, and there seems to be topside resistance line on the monthly chart. Just draw it like that. We can see right now we are coming back to test that level month to month. This could be a problem spot. Also, if you take a look at the break right there, so that break was responsible right there for bringing the stock lower in 2015, which moved the stock from about 45 to the lows here of about 31. And now what we're doing essentially is coming back to test that level, which is the uniformity method. So right there we are coming to test that level, and month to month that seems like it's going to be a problem for this stock. As long as these two lines are acting as resistance, it seems to me it represents an emerging idea in many charts that the next meaningful direction is going to have to be lower. Now remember, this is a monthly chart, so it might take a couple of months for this to play out. But if one was looking for a way to bring down, at least narrow down the timing here, is one observation is as long as the weekly RSI, so as long as the weekly RSI is above 69.1, the stock should be stable at the very worst. But if it drops back below that 69.1 level, then one can start looking at that monthly chart for confirmation of resistance, as we just discussed. Also, take a look at the daily. What you see here is on the daily we had improvement on a day-to-day time frame. So we can see that we made higher highs day-to-day here, but at the expense of the RSI. We made lower highs. So that negative divergence sets the stage for the current pullback. Also, we can see this on the hourly. We had an improvement to hourly closing highs here, but at the expense of the RSI there. So that negative divergence on the hourly also was set the stage for this current pullback. Now the magnitude of the drop is going to depend on how it responds to the monthly chart. As we discussed here, this is the line that we need to watch. Resistance and confirmation of resistance on this line month to month would suggest that the next meaningful direction is lower. So there's a good chance stock might not see the 50s for a while if the monthly RSI continues to show this resistance. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESC.